Hello, and welcome to your English learning journey. If you're new to the language, don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Start by learning the basics. This includes the alphabet, basic grammar rules, and commonly used vocabulary. There are many free resources available online that can help you with this. Practice, practice, practice. The more you use the language, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Try practicing with a language exchange partner, watching English language movies or TV shows, or reading English language books or articles. Set goals for yourself. Whether it's learning a new word every day, practicing for 30 minutes each day, or achieving a certain level of proficiency, setting goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, and it's how we improve. So don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Finally, have fun. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. So enjoy the process, and remember that every step you take is bringing you closer to your goal of speaking English fluently. We hope this helps you get started on your English learning journey. Good luck, and have fun!